All right, let me just bring your focus to these visuals right now, which are from the Mumbai airport. There seems to be some sort of a movement. And I think Sara Ali Khan, all right, Sara Ali Khan can be seen in these visuals. Let's very quickly go across to Saurabh Bakhtania, who is joining us. Saurabh, Sara Ali Khan emerging out of the Mumbai airport. Where is she heading now?
एक्सप्रेशंस कुछ भी नहीं, बात बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही है। देखिए, चेहरे को देखिए, उनके हाव भाव को देखिए। सारा अली खान के, मैं फिर इनसे बातचीत करने की कोशिश करूंगा। सारा, दिस इज पंकज उपाध्याय फ्रॉम आज तक। सारा, आप कुछ बात करना चाहेंगी? सारा, गंभीर आरोप लगे हैं आप पे। अब यहाँ पर से जो मेन गेट था, वहां से वो निकल नहीं आ रही है बाहर। इस वक्त वो बाहर नहीं आ रही हैं। हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं उनके हर मूवमेंट को। दूसरे गेट से आने की वो शायद बाहर कोशिश कर रही हैं। उनके साथ 2 लोग और हैं। अब बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है। देखिए हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है। जो मेन गेट था वहां से अब वो बाहर निकल नहीं रही है। यही तो बात थी ना कि अगर आपने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है, आपके दिल में चोर नहीं है, तो फिर आपको कैमरे से दूर भागने की क्या जरूरत है? जब फिल्म प्रमोशंस होते थे तब तो बढ़ चढ़ कर आप बाहर आती थी, तब तो आप बहुत बातें करती थी। आज जब आपके फैंस, आज जबकि देश पूछ रहा है कि सारा बताइए आखिर क्या हुआ, क्या आपने ड्रग्स ली थी, क्या आपका जो ये नाम आ रहा था ये सही है या गलत, आपका क्या तर्क है, आपकी क्या दलील है? देखिए जेब में हाथ डाले कितने आराम तरीके से, देखिए किस तरीके से सारा अली खान एयरपोर्ट से एक टर्मिनल से दूसरे टर्मिनल की तरफ जा रही हैं, लेकिन मीडिया कर्मियों की तरफ देखने की या हाथ हिलाने की उनकी आज हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है। ये वही सारा अली खान है जो जब भी एयरपोर्ट से बाहर आती थी, मुझे पता है, तब अपना हाथ हिलाया करती थी, मुस्कुराहट दिया करती थी, शी यूज्ड टू वेव हर हैंड। लेकिन आज तो आलम बिल्कुल बदल गया है। मैं फिर भी दूसरे गेट से, जिस गेट पर सारा जा रही है, हम वहां पर जा रहे हैं दर्शकों को अपडेट रखने के लिए। देखते हैं आखिर सारा आज क्या यहां पर नाच नचाने वाली हैं। लेकिन पिछले 10 मिनट से सारा अली खान एक गेट से दूसरे गेट पर जा रही हैं, लेकिन जवाब देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, कैमरे की तरफ देख भी नहीं रही हैं, अपनी पीठ दिखा दी है उन्होंने मीडिया कर्मियों को। देखिए, अगर दिल में चोर नहीं है, अगर आपको कुछ छुपाना नहीं है, अगर कुछ गलत आपने नहीं किया है, तो फिर आप इस तरीके का बर्ताव क्यों कर रहे हैं? इस वक्त अब उन्होंने सीआईएसएफ पर्सनल को बुला लिया है। कह रही हैं कि शायद उनको यहाँ पर थोड़ा खतरा है। सीआईएसएफ पर्सनल ने उनको घेर लिया इस वक्त।
So that's Sara Ali Khan, in fact, being seen on those visuals. She has arrived in Mumbai. I just want to tell our viewers, ladies and gentlemen, she's free to speak. It's her will whether she wants to speak to the media or not. She has to speak and appear before the agencies, and that is where whatever she says will make a big difference. The only expectation, the only hope, at least, for the media is, because there is so much interest, people would want to know her side of the story, and if she wants to clarify that, she's more than welcome to do that. If she doesn't choose to, it's her wish. That doesn't in any account or in any way makes her liable, makes her guilty. The important thing would be that tomorrow, in fact, when she comes here, what is it that she says tomorrow here, day after tomorrow at the NCB office? Let's just listen to my colleague Pankaj once again.
नए आइडियलिज्म के साथ सामने आई है। नई पीढ़ी ये है, नई पीढ़ी सारा अली खान है, नई पीढ़ी श्रद्धा कपूर है, और बर्ताव उनका किस तरीके से है वो आपके सामने है। अपनी स्क्रीन पर हम इस वक्त सीधी ताजा तस्वीरें एक्सक्लूसिवली आज तक पर दिखा रहे हैं। 25 से 30 सीआईएसएफ के जवान हैं जिनके घेरे में इस वक्त सारा अली खान है। डर का माहौल देखिए सारा अली खान में, कैमरे की तरफ देख भी नहीं रही है, अपनी पीठ दिखा रखी है और एक पिलर के साथ में आड़ा उन्होंने लगा लिया है। अभी देखिए एक टर्मिनल से दूसरे टर्मिनल की तरफ गई थी, दोनों जेबों में उन्होंने अपना हाथ डाला हुआ था, बिल्कुल फिक्रमंद नहीं नजर आई। लेकिन जैसे ही मेन गेट की तरफ आ रही थी, मैंने आगे बढ़ के उनसे सवाल किया, सारा आपको एनसीबी ने समन कर दिया है, आप इस पर क्या कहना चाहेंगी? आपके हजारों करोड़ों फैंस हैं जो इस वक्त शॉक हैं इस खबर के साथ, क्या आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगी? लेकिन उन्होंने चुप्पी साधी रही, कुछ भी नहीं बोला, चेहरे पे कुछ भी एक्सप्रेशन नहीं था। हालांकि जिस गेट से उनको अमूमन निकलना चाहिए था, जो डेजिग्नेटेड गेट है जिससे उनको बाहर निकलना चाहिए था, उस गेट से वो बाहर नहीं निकली। किस बात का डर था सारा आपको, ये हमें समझ में नहीं आया। अगर आपने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया है तो फिर आप मेन गेट से बाहर क्यों नहीं निकली? आप अभी तक गेट के अंदर ही क्यों हैं? आपने सिक्योरिटी ऑफिशियल्स को क्यों बुलाया है? आखिर आपको डर किस बात का लग रहा है? बाहर मैं और देख रहा हूं, यहां उनके 10 से 15 बाउंसर्स भी आ गए हैं जो शायद पार्किंग एरिया तक उनको सुरक्षित सो कॉल सुरक्षा के साथ लेके तो जाएंगे, लेकिन जाहिर सी बात है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के सामने अब इस तरीके की चुप्पी नहीं सही जाएगी। अगर एनसीबी के सामने भी इसी तरीके की वो चुप्पे साधे रखती हैं, यानी उसका सीधे मतलब होगा खतरे की घंटी। जी
मार्च 2019 तक इस दौरान जो है कई बार सोना गांव के कई सारी पार्टियां भी जब्त की।
All right, so that's Sara Ali Khan being escorted in massive security there, understandably so. I mean, there are, of course, a lot of media crews there. Going across to Saurabh Vakhtania, who joins us with more details from the Mumbai airport. Saurabh, Sara finally emerges out from the airport. She will be questioned on Saturday. But the fact is, Saurabh, at this moment, massive media pressure for her to break her silence.
But Ankit, it's also high time that these actresses come out and speak because these are the huge allegations which have been made on them. If they are clean, they need to come out and talk. Now, in the morning also, when Simone Khambata, one of the famous and the best designers of the Bollywood, who was called at NCB, we tried to question her also, but she remains silent all the time. Now, Sara Ali Khan, she comes from a big family of Bollywood, and now she's been summoned by the NCB officials. She, along with Shraddha Kapoor, will be called to the NCB guest house where you are present right now. On Saturday, she will be questioned. Tomorrow also remains a very big day when Deepika Padukone along with Rakul will be questioned together by the NCB officials. But all of them, all the people who have been named or summoned by the NCB officials, all have remained silent till now. They have not opened up. Now, what we are learning, Ankit, that she is asking for a proper security from the Mumbai airport. She's been asking that a proper escort be given to her so that she can go to her car and then she can leave for a house in Juhu area where we have been told that a lot of legal experts are already present over here, and she will be speaking to them that how NCB will be questioning, because the way NCB is going in this case is very simple and very interesting, Ankit. They have lot of evidences, they have WhatsApp chats, they have all the other technical evidence and also the statements given by the drug peddlers and also the associates of Sushant Singh Rajput where his farmhouse was. So all that will be put forward to Sara Ali Khan and then she will be asked. So to deny all those questions, it won't be very easy for her. She has to answer all the questions. But right now, as you can see, the visuals which you are running on screen, that Sara Ali Khan has arrived at Mumbai airport. Now, surprisingly, Ankit, we didn't knew that Sara Ali Khan is also in Goa, because we were trying to reach out to her. She remained silent all the time. Now, all of a sudden, when we were trying to trace Deepika Padukone and we come to know that Sara Ali Khan was also in Goa and she took a flight from Goa airport. Now she lands in Mumbai, but once she was coming out from the Mumbai airport, she has again gone inside, and now let me tell you that she's still at the arrival gate inside. She's speaking to the CISF officials. Now what CISF officials will do, will bring more deployment of the officials over there. They will try to reach, to take Sara to her car. We are also told that there are some private security guards of the family who are already over there. So she will be taken out from the airport to her car, escorted to her home. One another thing was that might she be brought to the gate where we are present right now. This is the gate number 8. This is the VIP gate. But this is a long route, Ankit, from where right now Sara is present. So it's very unlikely that she might come out from this particular gate as well. But still, we are waiting that what they decide, what the CISF officials decide. But let me also tell you, Ankit, there are also 2 to 3 other gates at the arrival. So she might she might be taken out from some other gates as well.
All right, she might in fact be taken from some other gate as well. Sara right now is being accompanied by her mother Amrita Singh and her brother Ibrahim Ali Khan. The fact, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll get Saurabh in on that as well. For Sara Ali Khan, this also becomes a very crucial, very important questioning, because remember, while Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and everybody else are being questioned, are being in fact probed for a wider Bollywood drug angle, for Sara Ali Khan, her case is directly related to Sushant Singh Rajput, because it was, at least as far as the Pavna Boatman is concerned, her first, and what NCB sources were saying, which has been now denied by Riya Chakrabarti. The fact is that Sara Ali Khan, according to what the NCB is probing, was with Sushant Singh Rajput when he got hooked on to drugs in a big way during the shooting of the film Kedarnath. And that somewhere is directly related to the first FIR, which was filed by the NCB, 15/20, with Sushant Singh Rajput, in connection with Sushant Singh Rajput case. The other FIR, 16/20, is the larger conspiracy, is the larger Bollywood drug syndicate that the NCB is probing. But for Sara Ali Khan, it becomes more important. The questioning becomes more important as she is related. She's also named now in the first FIR, that is 15/20, directly in connection as far as Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned. Saurabh, for Sara Ali Khan, it will be very important, because whatever she says will have bearing on Sushant Singh Rajput case, not only which the NCB is probing, but also possibly certain links as far as the CBI case also goes.
Well, very likely, Ankit, and therefore from the very beginning we are saying that the probe is at a very initial stage right now, because there is nothing concrete available over here. What right now NCB is doing is they are investigating the narcotics case, but how they are going to lead this case, or how they are going to link this whole case with the Sushant Singh Rajput case, that will be very interesting to see, because all these sources are telling us that this particular drugs were taken for as an antidepressant. Now the CBD oil, which name have been coming up all the time, we have been seeing how Jaya Shah has been providing CBD oil. She also had given a statement in between that saying that CBD oil is permissible if brought with a proper prescription, but that is not the case. It is banned substance and it comes under the Narcotic Bureau Act. So therefore the CBD oil also comes under the NDPS Act, and therefore it is illegal. So how they are going to corroborate the whole case will be very important to see. Like you mentioned, that these are only the WhatsApp chat, and only based on the statement how far this is admissible. There has to be some sort of seizure. Now all these chats which have been come up are of the year 2017. So how NCB is planning to make a proper watertight case will be very interesting to see. Therefore, what I've been told by the NCB officials, that right now Simon Kambata was questioned for a few hours. Now she has left the NCB office. Now tomorrow there is a big day when so many actresses will be questioned together. We also have Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan, the big name in the film industry. They will be questioned on Saturday. They all will be questioned together. Their whole statement will be studied by the NCB officials, and then they will be taking the further course of action. But at the moment, Ankit, I should tell you that no such seizure by the NCB official in this whole drug link case. The only few substances will be recovered by the drug peddlers. So NCB is saying that they are looking on a larger conspiracy. And what's that conspiracy? That this is the drug racket which is going around in the Bollywood film industry, and there are the huge drug peddlers who are actually providing them all these drugs. So it will definitely take time, and how this case turn up in court when it comes in front of court, it will be interesting to see. But it's a long procedure. It takes around 6 months of time, that the time which NCB has to file a charge sheet in this whole case. So right now, the statements will be taken. The NCB will be investigating a lot, because the NCB officials also told us, Ankit, that they have lot of huge names in this whole case. And therefore, one of the NCB teams today reached Taloja jail. They are questioning Shouvik Chakrabarti and Dipesh Sawant, the house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. They claim in their affidavit to the court that very big names of the Bollywood industry who were in touch with Shouvik Chakrabarti, and therefore we need to question him again. And therefore the NCB team right now at Taloja jail, who is questioning Shouvik Chakrabarti and Dipesh Sawant. So the case is right now at a very initial stage.
All right.
So we'll wait to understand how the NCB progress in this whole case.
Initial stage, but the questions on the NCB about the selective leakings will continue. And of course, tomorrow it will be Deepika Padukone, and day after Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor, who will be facing the heat here at the NCB office in Mumbai. Thank you, Saurabh, for joining us with all those details. Time for us to slip into a very short break. This continuous marathon 1 hour report because of the latest happening and fast-paced developments in this case. My colleague Shivarur joins you next with 5 Live. Our coverage on this entire case continues as more and more big names, A-listers, get dragged into the Bollywood drug net.